I'm so excited to be here. We're so proud of all the children who are participating. More than sports, they're going to learn a lot of life skills. They learn about competition, about winning, about losing, about working in teams, about emotions. And I hope the sports for change grows with every year.
Sports for Change by HCL Foundation is a very unique initiative where we promote grassroots level sport. We go to the remotest communities in rural and urban areas. We identify the talent through various physical education activities, exposing them to the Olympic sports, and then we provide them a full holistic support under which there is nutrition, there is coaching, there is mental health support, there is counseling, state-of-the-art facilities. They are brought to and they are prepared to be mainstreamed in the national level and international level.
So we started Sports for Change in a very small school with 15 girls who was interested to play soccer. From 15, it has grown up to 16,000 students across India where HCL Foundation is working. We are working for more than 18 sports currently. And you can see this competition which is happening currently, where we have had more than 6,000 students participated, and the best of the lot, 650 kids, is representing their states in this competition. We are having 11 states who's part of this competition this year, starting from Nagaland, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, and all the locations of South India also.
For HCL Foundation, sports is not just about playing national and international championships and winning those medals. It's a huge skill development program where they learn soft skills, they learn hard skills, they learn teamwork. They also learn to win and face the win, but they also learn that if we fail, we can always come back, we can always bounce back.